tears are the jewels decorating my heart. You capture my mind like the moon. Then broken we meet, you read my mind, I speak your words. Together we breathe. Thoughts unspoken like frost on the pane. My dawns, my light, my heart. Blinded by my darkness I stumble. The shadows perforated, bliss uncovered, separated by arrows, fire and flowers. May your eyes, your wandering eyes, rest upon me. Come hold my hand and lead me through spiral whispers and maddening sighs. Then fate unfolds, clutching my heart, stealing my thoughts, settles repose. Painful lessons like fire within. My love, my hope, my heaven. Blinded by my darkness I stumble. The shadows perfect.